In this video, we are going to discuss about the types of events and activities in event management. So, what are the types of events? The first types of event is information. Information is an event which is only meant to provide information. Example, you can see backup job completed, replication job completed, or antivirus updated. These are the informational events. Coming to the next type of event, usage, to check status of activity or device and also to get the statistics. That means we should knowing about the activity status, that is in progress, in queue or completed, and also the device which is upgraded or device which is downgraded. Everything will be coming in this usage status activity. Informational events are usually recorded for a predetermined period. So, for a predetermined period, these are already recorded. The informational events are already recorded. Coming to the next type of event is warning. Event means a periodic proactive measure to indicate that service or device is reaching a threshold. That means you can take an example, network traffic reaching a congestion point. So, it is a warning event, means it is a proactive measure which alerts us based on the service or device which is reaching its threshold limit. So, you can take an example, sometimes you receive that CPU usage is high, RAM usage is high and disk space allocation is less. So, that these are the warning events which alert us to look into. Coming to exceptions, event which indicates that a service or a device is behaving abnormally. So, this exception event will alert us regarding the abnormality of the device of the software. You can take it's against defined behavior. That means whichever defined behavior for the device or for the service, it is going against to it. You can see example of a hard disk in RAID has failed. That means a disk failures as well as software or a server crashed. Everything comes under this exceptions. Anytime if you find an exception, you have to consider that this is behaving abnormally. So, coming to the activities of event management, the activities are recording and filtering activity. So, all events are usually get recorded in a log file and events are filtered according to the types, either manually or automatically. Prioritization of events is the second activity in event management. Events are prioritized based on their importance and their types. So, they are categorized based on the importance and the type of the event. Based on SLAs, some events can always get high priority. So, based on the response SLA and resolution SLA, these can be categorized always with the high priority. Exception management. Exception is usually converted into incident or problem or RFC. So, exceptional is usually considered or converted into incident or problem or RFC, that means request for change based on the exceptions priority given to it. Exception does not necessarily represent incident or problem. So, every time an exception comes, that does not represent an incident or a problem. It depends on the priority and categorization given to it. So, these are the activities involved in event management.